Welcome YouTube to another air fryer recipe, Air Fryer Tuesday, where we cook frozen food in the air fryer. Please subscribe, hit the like, and so much more is to come in 2023 and 2024. So let's go right to the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so we're going to place that 3-meat pizza in there. Let's go right to the air fryer. All right, so we have it in the air fryer. Push it, and we're going to do it at 310 for 6 minutes. Sorry, there's a glare. See you at the plate. And there it is, YouTube. I'll put the directions in the description. And that's that DiGiorno 3-meat stuffed crust. Let me cut it open and show you, but it's going to be hard because this thing is so hot. And that's what it looks like, YouTube. Look at that cheese in there. Look at that pepperoni. There's that stuffed crust. This is the top. And you can't go wrong. Air Fryer Tuesdays, please hit like, subscribe, and many more products to come.